Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we are going to discuss about FinNifty expiry today. You can see over here, this is FinNifty chart on 15 minutes time frame. Now you can observe over here that price is getting squeezed completely over here in 15 minutes time frame itself. Now what is our tomorrow's plan is if FinNifty crosses this level, which is 19,440 level and sustain above this level, then we can plan a very good upside trade till 19,560 level as well. If it sustain over 19,440 level, then we can plan an easy trade till 19,560 level, or else we are having one more side as well. If it crosses 19,320 level and sustain below this level, then we can have a trade till 19,200 level, till this level. We can plan an easy trade in downside as well as in upside. But what we need is we need a breakout and sustainability either side. If it is giving breakout to upside, then we need to wait for at least 15 to 30 minutes over here. Then we can plan a trade for upside. Similarly, if it gives a breakdown to this level, to 9320 level, then what we have to do, we have to wait for a sustainability for again 15 to 30 minutes. Then we can plan a trade till our recent low, which is 19200 level. If 19200 level is also getting taken over, then we can go further down. Tomorrow we can plan a option buying as well in FinNifty, or else we can go for selling side also, as tomorrow is an expiry. This is a small plan over in FinNifty. Let me show on daily time frame also. You can see on daily time frame, FinNifty is getting squeezed in these candles only. So we can plan a very good rally in FinNifty if it gives breakout and sustainability. This is a plan in FinNifty. Let's see Bank Nifty and Nifty as well. This is Bank Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. Similarly, over here we can see a small trend line breakout to this zone, and retest is also getting happen to this trend line as well. If it sustain or if it opens gap up and sustain over here above 43,900 level and crossing these recent highs which are above 44,000 level, then we can plan a trade till recent high of 44,150 to 44,250 also. If it is moving aggressively upside, then we can plan more upside trade as well. For downside, what we have to do is we need to wait for breakdown to this level, which is 43,650 level. I'm just going somewhat larger over here. If it is crossing 43,650 and sustaining over here, then we can plan selling side trade as well in Bank Nifty. Similarly, in Bank Nifty also, when we see on daily time frame, let me show you. On daily time frame, we can see candles are getting squeezed over here, right? If we get any breakout or breakdown, then we can plan a very good trade over here. From past 4 days, Bank Nifty is completely in this range. If we get any breakout, then we can plan a very good upside trade, or else if we get breakdown, then we need to mark supports and we need to play safely over there. Now going for Nifty, this is Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. Similarly, over at this level, we found a small dow pattern. According to this, our target has been reached, but it is struggling at this resistance only. If tomorrow opens flat and crossing this recent high, then we can plan a trade till these levels. We are having next resistance zone are at 18,450 level. Until there, we can plan a trade. Or else if it is crossing this low, let me show you. If it is crossing 18,230 level and sustaining below this level, then we can plan a trade till 18,150 also. This is a plan for intraday in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, and we have made a plan for expiry trade in FinNifty as well. If you are having any doubts, if you need any clarification on the trade, then ping me in the comments. We'll let you know soon. Thank you.